I think the best part of this experience was how my team worked so well together.
I think we were always just ready to roll with it. Whatever change we had to make it a more enjoyable experience, we were willing to make it right away.
Everything just kind of went smoothly.
We all tried to come to some sort of consensus on what we want the game to be.
This very clear vision for the kind of experience and the kind of feelings that we wanted to create for the game.
You guys are going to have to really lean up against each other a lot of the times throughout the game making process.
Always keep an open mind.
Okay, we're doing this now.
You know, we just got to go for it.
And it's kind of led to some of the successes that we've had today, project.
I guess a mix of passion and hard work and the right amount of timing can like really push any idea you want or like let you achieve a lot more than you're really expecting. I mean, especially like with the hard work and the passion.
It's such a team-focused field. You have to be ready to work with everyone, and I've been blessed with a wonderful group of people to work with.
And I would say it's mainly about supporting team members and, or team members being able to support each other.
That's probably one of the biggest positives that I can draw from like this experience is just learning how to work with people, understanding the people that are on your team and how your interactions with those people affect their work.
It just removes so much stress when you know you have a team that's ready to communicate.
Generally, just our team's ability to roll with the punches was one of the best things we did.
Because each of us are talented in different ways, but it wouldn't have meant much if we weren't able to come together, really communicate and say, hey, let's do this thing. And we came out of the program with a published game.
And that brings me joy when people see something I've contributed to and they react positively.
I feel like if your team dynamic is good, then I feel like your game's going to go well too. You have to ensure that everybody on the team is knowing how to communicate effectively. Without communication, there can be no team.
Collaboration, I think that's the key. That's the key for team to succeed.
I think the most beneficial thing would be having to actually sit down and talk with people that have completely opposite mindsets and having to get them to understand what I need from them and having to understand what they need from me.
I think the best thing about the game design program is the community that it creates. Even if you're in a different field of study like I am or in computer science or anything, if you work with the game design program in any way, you're a part of that community, and I just think that's incredible.
Fail faster. Mistakes you will learn from a lot more than your successes. The more you try, the more you'll fail, and that's a good thing. I mean, prototype early, design early. You're not going to see problems until you have problems.
It's not like a test or it's not like a, passing these classes or whatever, right? That other majors have to go through. It's embarking on like this project with many people and many other ideas, So be open, be flexible. It's gonna be okay.
I 100% believe that I got things from this program that I would have never been able to get anywhere else. And just pursuing this major has helped me in ways that will continue through the rest of my lifetime.
The whole concept of having a workshop series where you meet with industry developers, put a game into an expo and like you publish it entirely, it's just so cool. And it's huge. Like you can't get that anywhere else.
I think that this project, more so than basically anything that I've ever done, has really emphasized that cross-disciplinary collaboration that the media school is really trying to foster.
If you want to do game design, just come to IOB, come to Indiana University, do game design.
My name is Blair Wheatley.
Oh, my name's Blake Miller.
I'm Blake Worley.
My name is Carson.
My name is Carter Costas.
My name is Christopher Billings.
My name is PJ Ajawara.
My name is Cody Bryant.
My name is Cole Sweeney.
So my name is Demi Singh.
I'm Devlin McClure.
My name is Evan Simmons.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn.
My name is Joey Mazzaro.
I'm Justin Locke.
My name is Leandre.
Oh, my name is Lorenzo Rocha.
My name is MJ Locke.
My name's Samuel Adamson.
My name is Wei Hao Kong.
My name is Zinan Wang.
Narrative designer.
Programmer.
Game designer and producer.
Main programmer / like vision holder.
Producer.
Level designer.
I am the producer for the project.
Narrative designer.
I'm a 3D animator.
Programmer.
UI designer.
Programmer.
I was the narrative designer.
Programmer.
An artist.
I work primarily as a designer.
I'm a release trailer editor.
Systems design, UI.
I'm a UI UX designer.
I serve as the role producer on the team.
And I'm a game design student.